We are going to transfer it to the new display so that we won't have to enroll the fingerprint of the client. We're going to remove this adhesive strip. There you go. Also going to remove the fingerprint scanner from the replacement display. And we're gonna prep the frame. And look at that adhesive. It's quite old and gummy. We're gonna wipe this off with IPA. Make sure that the adhesive that we put on here will be more resistant to kitchen heat. You can see that there's also an adhesive strip underneath the new display, but we're gonna put another layer of liquid adhesive onto the frame. This is not a clear type of display, it's quite dark. Hopefully this will also give the smartphone a bit of waterproofing. I'm gonna install the new display now.